Hello guys. We wanted to today do a little short introduction and video about our embedded kit launch on NXP i.MX9. Obviously, Witekio and NXP has been a long-term partner. Witekio and NXP have been working together to provide customers this ability to build these great embedded products. And Witekio has been helping on the software and embedded firmware side, whereas obviously NXP is providing these amazing silicons for these OEMs on the market. So really what we want to talk about today a little bit on our big launch on embedded kit and what an embedded kit is, and embedded kit by Witekio. So that's embedded kit is a basically tool set of products that Witekio developed by utilizing 20 years of experience of building embedded software for OEMs in the various different fields. So we saw a lot of different needs, similar needs for a lot of different OEMs, and we decided to take advantage of our experience and expertise and build the products that will help customers to go much faster to the market, and to build that secure, connected, scalable products that is so important today in today's market.
What we realized with the i.MX9 is we are bringing what we believe to be cutting edge parts for the edge compute market across the many segments we play in, both automotive, industrial, IoT, and consumer. The main value proposition of the i.MX9 is delivering the latest performance in manageable power profiles, but with the complexity that a lot of customers are looking for in terms of the many different usage models and features they need for that. So if you look at the i.MX9s, the 93, which is currently shipping, the 91, and then the i.MX95, which is in development right now, we realize that we are bringing some great products to market, but we are increasing the complexity of the software development and also the software maintenance during its life cycle. And with that, we really need partners like Witekio with the embedded kit to help us enable our customers to get to market quickly, and then also to maintain that image and really take advantage of some of the key intellectual property IP blocks that we've added to the i.MX9 series. So an example is the Edge Lock Security Enclave. This allows customers to really migrate their security from a separate chip or just in software to on-chip, be it key attestation, key management, a center of security. However, utilizing that hardware in a both on-chip software, but also over the air, how is it updated? How do you manage that? Brings in a lot of complexity. And we realize that customers' ability to do that by themselves is limited. And we really look to partners such as Witekio to bring in the software expertise to fully utilize both the capabilities of the hardware, but how to manage that software image during the life cycle of the product. And some of our key customers have very long life cycles, 10 to 15, even 20 years. We ensure silicon availability for that time frame, and that's why a lot of the customers choose us. But we realize that managing a software image in the complex world we live in today, with a number of government coming down with regulatory requirements, certifications, we need customers to be able to get to market, and to do that, we really can't do it ourselves.
Regarding the embedded kit, we really would like to bring a new way to accelerate the development of an embedded Linux-based product. The two main topics are customization and cybersecurity. Customization, because we are embedded systems, because we need to minimize the footprint, because we need to reduce the attack surface, because we need to ensure the capabilities of our system to be maintained a long term, to be able to optimize the system with a better boot time, with better performance for a driver. And then we need cybersecurity, and equipment manufacturer need security. Two main purposes. First, new regulations that are coming in Europe, in US, that will make cybersecurity mandatory for all equipment manufacturers. and also cybersecurity, because we are in a global ecosystem, a global environment where the risk of cybersecurity attacks are more and more in the day-to-day. So the embedded kit offers a Yocto-based Linux distribution that brings both customization and cybersecurity with a set of pre-configured features for the equipment manufacturer. What are the added value? So first, we provide an off-the-shelf solution that provide already the support for multiple hardware, and we are really proud to announce the new i.MX9 support today. We pre-built a set of features with some dedicated implementation for the hardware. We offer a pre-built distribution with a full ownership, and we are really keen about the fact that having the source code, having no vendor locking effect is really a key topic for equipment manufacturers that will need a support on a very long range, very long time. In terms of operating system features, so we build a strong foundation for the Yocto system, well structured and ready for the maintenance and the long-term maintenance. We provide the full operating system update with an OTA mechanism with different flavor to update only the system, to update the application, to update with or without cybersecurity in regard of your needs. We offer the full continuous integration and also an automated testing farm to ensure the quality on the long range for the product. On cybersecurity side, pre-enabled secure boot. In the i.MX9 case, based on the new secure enclave system provided by NXP. Key management system based on trusted environment execution, a vulnerability scanner tools to ensure this long-term maintenance and detect during the first step of your project and all along the life cycle of the product, the vulnerability applicable to your specific exact Yocto image you have built for your product. And so that optimize this process of maintenance by doing an automatic assessment on these vulnerabilities and offer a way to manage the life cycle of these vulnerabilities.
Very excited to be launching this support on this new i.MX9 MPUs, and then we're really hoping that with this, a lot of customers and much more customers and OEMs and device makers out in the field will be able to build their devices much faster, much more secure, in a much more scalable manner, and we'll be really able to help those customers together with the NXP to build a great products that hopefully change the world for the better place. And I really invite everybody to go and check the Embedded Kit products in addition to our website, but also on the NXP partner page.